Hey people, how you are doing today, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I want to try out something and I'm super excited. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Guys, I've so want to try and do review on this product, and it's here now and I'm super excited. So this is how it comes and this is how it looks. It's just a white balm, cleansing balm. And that's about, and it comes with this scoop to scoop out the product, which I like. So we're going to read the claims of this cleansing balm, and then we're going to see how this cleansing balm is going to work on my face. Guys, I have a full beat face, so we're going to see, okay? And then after trying that, I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. The e.l.f. cleansing balm costs $10, so it is an affordable product. It comes in 56.5 grams, which is decent. Okay, the packaging is plastic, so I like the packaging and I like the color. It's just kind of really soft. I like it. The claim says wash your makeup, melt away, a 2-in-1 makeup remover and face cleanser. So they're saying this is a cleanser too, okay, that instantly melts away your makeup while removing impurities and cleansing your skin. Each solid balm melts into a luxury oil and turns into a nourishing milky texture that rinses off clean. So I have to rinse it off. Formulated with skin-loving ingredients, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and peptide. Okay, so hyaluronic acid is very good for the skin, so it helps to like hydrate and retain hydration. Ceramide, it helps to keep the skin hydrated and kind of act like a barrier to the skin. Peptide helps to retain your collagen, helps to retain moisture, helps to also create barrier. Let's not go into the science of that, okay? So but those are the ingredients they say they have there, and those are really good ingredients that I want on my skin. I use hyaluronic acid every night, so I'm super excited that this cleansing balm has that. So okay, so I think I need to get water here. What I normally do, I wipe with baby wipe. Let's see, should we wash off or wipe with wipe? Let's just jump by trying it out. So like I said, with my mirror, okay, let me take off my lash. So I'm using this amount, just a scoop, and I'm just going to put on my finger. I don't know if this will be enough. Should we? Oh, let's try that. It's a dice size, so let's try it. Let's not put too much destiny. Okay. So massage, and then in a circular motion. Why do I feel like I need more? But let's go with the size wrap first.
I feel I need more. So, I feel
like I need more. Even though it's going, now I feel like I definitely need more. So I get that same amount, a little bit little than that. I think so. 2 scoops of it will be perfect. I like how you can see I've even applied it on my eyes, and I can open my eyes, and I like that. So I'm going to wipe with a baby wipe. It's not burning or tingling. So let's get the eye makeup off. So let me clean my eyes first. Okay. Oh, I have contact. Oh, I forgot. I like what's inside my eyes. Okay, so it's not looking funny with my contact on, which I should have removed first. This is just stupid of you. You should have done that first. Okay. Oh, don't do this always remove your contact before you take off your makeup. Everything seems so blurry right now in my eyes. Always remove your contact. Always do that. Okay. I'm going like on my edges, and it's really taking out those makeup on my edges. Not mad. So obviously this is the first one. You can see how dirty, how it take up the makeup. Why this is the next one. So we're going to go with more and more. I can still get, even though it's not as bad as the first two, but hey, I can still feel this. I can feel the product on my skin anymore. So obviously if I was watching, I would like stop watching and all that. I can feel the product on my skin, but I can still get like little product out on my face, still wiping. So but I like the fact that it said it's going to remove my makeup, and it did. So I like that fact that I did that. So okay, we're on the fourth one, and still I can still get like makeup stain on it. So yeah, not that bad anymore. Like it's almost clear, but I can still get makeup stain still. Okay. In all, it really removed all the product of my face. Normally after removing makeup of my face, I still have to go with my cleanser. So I'm still not mad. I like the fact that it has removed that first full face bit off, and yet my skin still feels really good. Literally my skin doesn't feel clogged. No, my skin doesn't feel that way. My skin feels very good. Like I feel like I could go to sleep like this on a lazy day, but don't do that. I feel I can do that, but that's that my face feels really clean. Even though I know I still have to double cleanse, my face feels really clean and feels really hydrated. Funny enough, it didn't strip anything off my face. Like I feel like, oh, I need to apply moisturizer. My face feels like really hydrated, and I like that about it. So cleansing balm will either make you feel like really tight and dry after wiping it off, or it will make you feel like you have a residue of oil on your skin. This doesn't make me feel that way. This one actually makes me feel like I just had a light moisturizer on. So I like that about it. It didn't have any strong distinct smell, which is, smell doesn't bother me when it comes to skincare products. So but for those people it doesn't have any strong smell, and so it's a good one. It smells like almost like a baby product, like a baby powder, which I like it. It's not that strong. But anyway guys, these are my face look. Is this a product I'll buy again? Definitely. I like it, and I'll definitely use it, and probably use it with water and let you guys know what I think about it. But I like it guys. I keep looking at myself, my phone, and my skin really feels really good, and I like it. I'm not mad at it. So anyway guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of skincare and makeup product, go ahead and subscribe to this channel guys. Subscribe, okay? So with that all said guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.